अर्थमंत्री पी चिदंबरम यांनी वोट ऑन अकाउंट मांडलं। यावेळी प्रामुख्याने त्यांनी यूपीएच्या 10 वर्षांच्या कारकिर्दीचा आढावा घेतला। आर्थिक तूट आणि महागाई हे मुद्दे अजूनही सरकारसाठी चिंतेचे असल्याचं त्यांनी मान्य केलं। हंगामी अर्थसंकल्प असल्याने करविषयक कायद्यामध्ये बदल करण्यात आले नाहीत। यंदाच्या आर्थिक वर्षामध्ये चालू खात्यावरची तूट 45 अब्ज डॉलर इतकी राहील अशी माहिती चिदंबरम यांना दिली। गेल्या वर्षी ही तूट तब्बल 88 अब्ज डॉलर्स इतकी होती। अन्न, खत आणि इंधन अनुदानासाठी 2,46,397 कोटींची तरतूद करण्यात आली आहे। राष्ट्रीय अन्न सुरक्षा योजनेसाठी 1.15 लाख कोटींची तरतूद या ठिकाणी करण्यात आलेली आहे। यंदाच्या आर्थिक वर्षात परकीय गंगाजळीमध्ये 15 अब्ज डॉलरची भर घालण्यात सरकारला यश आल्याचं त्यांनी म्हटलंय। गेल्या 10 वर्षात विजेचं उत्पादन 2,34,600 मेगावॅट पर्यंत वाढलं असंही अर्थमंत्र्यांनी सांगितलं। त्याचबरोबर कृषी क्षेत्राचा विकास दरही चांगला राहिला आहे। 2013-14 मध्ये धान्य उत्पादन 26.30 कोटी टनापर्यंत जाणार असल्याची माहितीही त्यांनी दिली। धोरण लकव्याचा आरोप फेटाळताना 6,60,000 कोटींच्या 296 प्रकल्पांना कॅबिनेट कमिटीची जानेवारी अखेर मान्यता दिल्याचीही माहिती त्यांनी दिली। त्याचबरोबर चेन्नई बंगळुरू, बंगळुरू मुंबई, अमृतसर कोलकाता हे आणखी 3 औद्योगिक कॉरिडॉरची अंमलबजावणी सुरू आहे असंही अर्थमंत्री म्हणाले। 2014-15 मध्ये विकास दर 4.9% राहील, तर 2015-16 मध्ये तो 5% पर्यंत जाईल असा विश्वास अर्थमंत्र्यांनी व्यक्त केला। घटती वित्तीय तूट, चालू खात्यावरील तूट, स्थिर चलनवलन दर आणि प्रकल्पांची अंमलबजावणी हे प्रचंड कष्टामुळे शक्य झाल्याचं त्यांनी सांगितलं। निर्भया फंडात पुढील वर्षासाठी आणखी 1,000 कोटी रुपयांचा निधीही दिला जाणार आहे।
Last year, when I read the budget speech, WPI headline inflation stood at 7.3% and core inflation at 4.2%. Through the year, inflation saw its ups and downs. At the end of January 2014, WPI inflation was 5.05% and core inflation 3%. Both the government and the RBI have acted in tandem. While our efforts have not been in vain, there is still some distance to go. Food inflation is still the main worry, although it has declined sharply from a high of 13.6% to 6.2%. Agricultural GDP growth increased to 3.1% in the 5-year period of UPA 1 and further to 4% in the first 4 years of UPA 2. In the current year, agricultural GDP growth is estimated at 4.6%. The long-standing demand of the Defence Forces for one rank, one pension. It is an emotive issue, it has legal implications, and it has to be handled with great sensitivity. The government has accepted the principle of one rank, one pension for the Defence Forces. This decision will be implemented prospectively from the financial year 2014-15. I propose to transfer the sum of rupees 500 crore to the defence pension account in the current financial year itself. To ensure the dignity and safety of women, I promised the Nirbhaya Fund and put rupees 1,000 crore into the fund. The fund will be a permanent fund. I intend to declare the grant of rupees 1,000 crore as non-lapsable. And in order to support more proposals, I propose to contribute to the fund another sum of rupees 1,000 crore next year. The government remains fully committed to Aadhaar, under which 57 crore unique numbers have been issued so far, and to opening bank accounts for all Aadhaar holders in order to promote financial inclusion. Who needs Aadhaar? It is those who are at the bottom of the pyramid, the poor, the migrant workers, the homeless, and the oppressed who need Aadhaar. And we will ensure that they get Aadhaar. We will realize that Aadhaar is a tool of empowerment. argument of policy paralysis. UPA 1 and UPA 2 have delivered above the trend growth rate. Government took several notable decisions, including some that were described as courageous and long overdue. Sugar was fully decontrolled. A gradual correction of diesel prices was started. Railway fares were rationalized for the first time in a decade. Applications were invited for issue of new bank licenses. Discoms, mostly sick, are being restructured with generous central assistance. Who blocked the GST when an agreement on the game-changing tax reform was around the corner? We have also got ready a direct taxes code that will serve us for at least the next 20 years.